for the people who expected to see a sharp decline in the number of cases as the weather became warm and moist, I think we're seeing that that's absolutely not the case.
The virus may be here for a while. Infections are up, but as Channel 5's Christian Von Preissing discovered, there is another hidden threat.
Cases are growing, but what about people who don't get tested or are sick and don't know it? There's an estimate for that.
The CDC is saying for every one case we diagnose, there's 10 more. So you can multiply our reported number of cases by about 10 to 12. And as the system gets more overwhelmed, that number probably goes up.
Again, for every confirmed case, 10 to 12 people who don't know they have it. A big number, but out of the entire population, still a long way to go. Hidalgo County has more than 7,000 cases. By that estimate, nearly 80,000 people have been infected. In a county population of about 800,000, the total estimate, about 1 in every 10 people in Hidalgo County has already gotten it. In Cameron County, more than 3,000 confirmed cases.
Multiply that by 10, so that would be somewhere in the ballpark of 30,000 cases that are maybe in our community right now.
Are we out of the woods yet? Not by a long shot, says Dr. James Castillo, Cameron County Health Authority. In virus tracking, herd immunity comes up. That's when so many people are already immune that the virus doesn't have as many new targets.
That's less than 10% of our population. So if we're saying that less than 10% of our population has had it, and this is what it's done to us, and this is what it's done for hospitals, we can't get to herd immunity. Herd immunity is going to be somewhere if 70 or 80% of people in Cameron County got it.
We've already been dealing with the virus for months, and it'll be a long time before 70 or 80% of the population is infected. Castillo says the solution has to be more preventative measures that we've already been taking.
Anybody who's saying we should just let it run its course or is absolutely wrong. We have to flatten this curve. We cannot allow it to keep going up like this.
Flattening the curve so medical professionals can handle the cases that show up at their hospitals. But so hopefully a solution like a vaccine is available. Christian Von Preissing, Channel 5 News at 10.